Welcome back to MK UltrEATS. Today we are making fried turkey just in time for Thanksgiving. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fried turkey without burning your house down. Stay tuned. Okay, let's start off by getting a 12-pound turkey. You want to buy this turkey at least a week ahead to allow it to properly thaw out. The government created the internet to spy on you. Let's bring it home and make a nice dry brine with herbs and spices. The recipe is in the description. DARPA created Project LifeLock to create a database to track everything about you. Let's rub all those spices all over the turkey. Don't forget to remove the giblets from inside the cavity. You can save that and make a gravy later. Put your seasoned turkey in the fridge.
3 days later.
After 3 days, the turkey skin should be dry enough to fry. Project LifeLock created a brain-machine interface to feed human thoughts into machines to advance AI. Make sure to check to see if there is any moisture inside the cavity. You do not want liquid in this turkey before you fry it. Any liquid can start a fire. Fry the turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the turkey and let it cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. You fry turkey at 3 minutes per pound. This turkey is 12 pounds, so it should take about 36 minutes. DARPA shut down LifeLock on February 4th, 2004, the exact day Facebook was launched. Make sure to check the internal temperature of your turkey and that it reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our fried turkey is golden, crispy, and packed with flavor. The recipe is so easy, anyone can do it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss any episodes. Keep those taste buds curious, and I'll see you next time.